Hello friends, in our previous video we had discussed microstates and term symbols in detail, and now let's do some previous year CSIR net solved questions. So our first question is from June 2016 examination. The lowest energy term for D6 configuration is, lowest energy term means higher stable term. So took D6 here. After filling 6 electrons in 5 orbitals of D, then to find value of L, 2 plus 2 4 plus 1 minus 2, after calculating we get 2. For spin here, this is half minus half means 0, half plus half plus half plus half is equal to 2. To find spin multiplicity, this formula 2s plus 1 and we get it 5. So we know term symbol we write in this way. So 2s plus 1 is spin multiplicity, which is 5. So write it here above. And for L we know for 0, 1, 2, 3 value of orbital is s, p, d, f. Here we have 2. So orbital is d. So its lowest energy term is 5d. Okay. Second question from 2015 December examination. The symmetry allowed atomic transition among following. We have some transitions. We have to tell that which are symmetry allowed and which are symmetry forbidden. So students, for symmetry allowed transitions, we have some selections rule. That is, delta S is equal to 0. It means spin multiplicity must remain be same if symmetry is allowed. And delta L is equal to plus minus 1. यानी जो डेल्टा S है स्पिन मल्टीप्लिसिटी में उसका कोई डिफरेंस नहीं आना चाहिए, बट जो डेल्टा L है यानी जो ये वैल्यू है वो प्लस 1 या माइनस 1 का डिफरेंस यहाँ पे होगा, तभी ट्रांजिशंस अलाउड होंगी, अदरवाइज नहीं होंगी. सो इफ़ यू लुक हियर 3, 1, तो यहाँ पर तो स्पिन मल्टीप्लिसिटी ही डिफरेंट है, तो इट मीन्स ये नहीं है. सिमिलर ये भी नहीं है, बट अब हमें इन दोनों में चेक करना है. देन लुक हियर, स्पिन मल्टीप्लिसिटी सेम. फॉर L वैल्यू वी हैव, for F value of L is 3, for P value of L is 1. Here difference is 2, so this is not. Then for this one delta S is equal to 0, and here L value this 2, 3 minus 2, 1. It means that is in second option transitions is allowed. Third question is from 2015 December examination. The possible term symbols of excited states of Na atom with electronic configuration this. We have electronic configuration this, 1 electron in p orbital, then here 1 electron. So L is equal to plus 1 here from here, and S is equal to half या फिर minus half. So from this spin multiplicity becomes 2. After putting 1 by 2 plus 1 here, this become 2. Then we have value of L and value of S. For term symbol we have to find value of J. Value of J lie from L plus L to L minus L S. So here L value 1, S value 1 by 2, 1 plus 1 by 2, 3 by 2, and 1 minus 1 by 2, it's 1 by 2. We have two values of J here. Then to find term symbol, we know this is our term symbol. So value of J 3 by 2, 1 by 2. Then write in one case 3 by 2 and 1 by 2. For value of 1L, it is orbital is p. Write p on both sides. So here S value, here spin multiplicity is equal to 2. So 2, 2, there is only difference in the value of J. So correct option is this one. In next, the ground state symbol for octahedral aqua complexes of magnesium, manganese 2 positive, chromium 3 positive and copper 2 positive are. इन तीनों के हमें ग्राउंड स्टेट्स निकालने हैं. फर्स्टली फॉर मैंगनीज 2 पॉजिटिव वी हैव कॉन्फिगरेशन इज दिस वन. आफ्टर removing 2 electrons as it have 2 plus oxidation state, it becomes 3d5. Then to draw 3d5, here 1 electron in each orbital. Then value of S is equal to 5 by 2 after adding 1 by 2 5 times, and L is equal to 0. After solving this, L is equal to 0. Then spin multiplicity becomes 6. So we have here ground state is equal to 6, and for L0 its orbital is S. Okay. For chromium, configuration is 3d3 after removing 3 electrons. Then here value of L is equal to 2 plus 1, 3. S is equal to 3 by 2. So spin multiplicity becomes 4. Then 4 here, and for L is equal to 3, its orbital is F. Its ground state for chromium 3 positive. Now we have considered only one case here, because the ground state is always the most stable state and the highest values of L and S. So we consider only one term, which is ground state term. For copper 2 positive, configuration is 3d9 after removing 2 electrons. Then after filling, we get L is equal to 2 and S is equal to half, and its term symbol is, here spin multiplicity becomes 2. Write 2 here, and for L is equal to 2, orbital is D. So 2D is the ground state term for copper 2 positive. Next, electronic ground state term for chromium ion in chromium Cn6 negative. Then took this, here write electronic configuration for chromium, that is this one, 4s1 3d5. After removing, here oxidation state is, let chromium here X, Cn have -1, so -1 into 6, -6 is equal to -4. Oxidation state is X is equal to 2. Remove 2 electrons from here, it is 3d4. After filling this, we get value of L is equal to 2 and S is equal to 2, and we find 5D as its term symbol and tick this option, but it's wrong. In complexes of this type, we use these energy levels to find its term symbol. Okay, then 3 levels below energy and 2 above energy. Then fill 4 electrons here. It is strong field ligand. Then pairing नीचे होगी, ऊपर इलेक्ट्रॉन एंटर करने से पहले नीचे पेयरिंग होगी. Then calculate L value is equal to 4 plus 1 5 and S is equal to 1 here. So our term symbol is 3H. Correct option is this one. In next question, we have to find the number of microstates in 3F is. So to find number of microstate, we have simple formula 2s plus 1 into 2l plus 1. Here 2s plus 1 is equal to 3 and L is equal to 1, 2, 3 S, P, D, F. L is equal to 3 here. Put value of L here and we get 7. So 7 into 3 is equal to 21. Number of microstates in 3F is 21. Next, one of the excited state of Ti is this, and number of microstate with 0 total spin for this configuration. Now look carefully. For titanium, we have electronic configuration of excited state and number of microstate here with 0 total spin. If we have 0 total spin, then here very clear that value of S is equal to 0. This is excited state configuration. Put 3d1, 1 electron in 3d and 1 in 4p. Then to find here 2 different orbitals, so value of L varies. Value of L goes from L1 plus L2 to L1 minus L2. Here 2 L1 is equal to 2, L2 is equal to 1. So 2 plus 1 and 2 minus 1, 3, 1. Value between 3 and 1 is 3, 2, 1. And value of S is equal to 0 here. So spin multiplicity is equal to 1 in each case. Here spin multiplicity is 1 and we have L values 1, 2, 3. So for 1p, for 2d and for 3f orbital. Therefore, find number of microstates in each case. Here 2s plus 1, 2l plus 1. 2s plus 1 is equal to 1 and 2s plus 1 becomes 7. It is 7. In this case it's 5. We use similar this formula to find microstates in this case, and it is 3. So total number of microstates is 7 plus 5 plus 3 is equal to 15 number of microstates. Now, what is the atomic term symbol of helium atom with 1s2 electronic configuration? Now, we have 1s2 electronic configuration for helium atom. It's filling in s orbital in this way. So, s is equal to 0 and L is also 0 here. So, spin multiplicity becomes 1 and its term symbol is 1s0. For all completely filled shells, term symbol is 1s0, whether it is completely filled p orbital or completely filled d orbital or s orbital completely filled, its term symbol remain 1s0. Next, the spin only magnetic moment and spectroscopic ground state term symbol for manganese center in this complex ion respectively. We have to find spin only magnetic moment and spectroscopic ground state term. Firstly, to find spin only magnetic moment, took this complex electronic configuration of Mn is this one. After removing 3 electrons, as it's 3 is its oxidation state, it becomes 3d4. So fill in this space 3d4. Here L is equal to 2, S is equal to, here L is equal to 2 plus 1 minus 1 is equal to 2, S is equal to half plus half plus half plus half is equal to 2. So 2s plus 1 become 5. Here term symbol, ground state term symbol is 5d, and to find spin only magnetic moment we have simple formula under root n plus 2. N is number of unpaired electron. Here number of unpaired electrons are 4. So 4 plus into 4 plus 2 is equal to 24 under root, that is 4.9 approx. So correct option is 4.9 Bohr magneton and 5d is ground state term. So in next question, students, it's repetitive question, I taught it already. Total degeneracy of ground state term of copper 2 positive in octahedral geometry is. Here we are talking about high spin. High spin means कि जो हमारे लोअर और हायर एनर्जी वाले ऑर्बिटल हैं उनमें से हायर वाले पहले फिल होंगे, आफ्टर दैट उसकी पेयरिंग स्टार्ट होगी. सो कोबाल्ट 3 पॉजिटिव वी हैव दिस इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन एंड आफ्टर रिमूविंग 3 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स, sorry it is 2, after removing 2 electrons it becomes 3d7. So L value is equal to 3 here, S is equal to 3 by 2, spin multiplicity becomes 4, then its term symbol is 4f, and now we have to find its ground state, its total degeneracy. So total degeneracy means number of microstates, because number of microstates क्या होता है कि कितने तरीके से हम लोग उसे अरेंज कर सकते हैं एंड कि उसकी एनर्जी भी इक्वल रहे, एंड दैट्स ऑल्सो degeneracy. We have formula 2s plus 1 2s plus L plus 1. After calculating it's 28. I think it's enough for today. So students, please join me on Telegram with the channel name Prab Chemistry Tips for these handwritten notes. Thank you so much for watching.